do you trust
Who do I trust?
in the news?
Oh, in the news?
Why don't you trust the media? You know, what is it that what the media has done?
You can't necessarily trust their word even if they say it's a fact, which is even harder because then you don't know if you can really trust the media at all.
I'd love to just go out and ask people what they think. Sometimes I don't even have to ask. I go to family parties and people are like, oh, I just canceled my subscription, you know? I hate what you guys do, and it's like, well, thanks.
People are reading and trusting you guys, the journalists, to say the truth, and they're not saying the truth.
That we're villainized is beyond me. I can't understand it.
There's a disconnect here. People say they can't trust the news, and reporters don't understand why. While studying journalism at Northwestern University, I set out on a cross-country reporting trip with my friend Sammy to try to figure out what's going on.